Welcome and perfect day. This is Mother Arlene. I want to welcome you sa pangalawang family nyo, your Herbalife family. So I've been using the products for 30 years and it's been an amazing journey of living the best version of my life because I was around 38, 39 years old nung nag-start ako and I'm already 66 going 67, truly living a life of purpose every single day. And ang background ko po, I'm a CPA. I used to teach accounting sa Lasal. Nag-masters na, nag-audit din po ako. Sobrang hindi ko nakita ang sarili kong mag-Herbalife. Pero I went to my first extravaganza out of curiosity. Then after that, I saw the vision for the future. I decided na i-career siya. It's a very different business. It's a business where you really learn in all areas of your life. It's so holistic, no? And yun din ang gusto natin. Ang ask ko lang po, kahit busy kayo sa mga ginagawa nyo, make time to learn and be willing to be always hungry for learning and work with your mentor and stick to this community no matter what life throws at you. And more importantly, isama nyo si Lord sa gagawin nyo sa Herbalife, sa trabaho nyo, at sa mga negosyo ninyo. Because I know by doing that, you will truly be blessed. Okay, so I declare supernatural blessings and miracles sa buhay nyo every single day. God bless po and see you soon. I love you.